Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialty. So, if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me, and let's get right into it. So first, we are making mini Valentine's Day ice cream sandwiches. Now, you get your store-bought Valentine's Day cookies, and you bake them for $3.50 for 12 to 14 minutes. Then you get your peppermint sprinkles and your red sprinkles, and then you get your organic vanilla ice cream, and I rolled it into a roll with some parchment paper and froze it. So now, just unroll it and put it on the cutting board. Now, we cut it into little strips, and then we take a cookie, we put it on there, another cookie. And here's a plain one for all you cookie lovers. And then, you do the same exact thing. And we have another cookie. And this is so fun, so easy. And it's great for when you just have friends over and you just want to hang out and have a little dessert. And then you just roll it into your red sprinkles. And you may need to put some on there. Go. Good job. And here we go. Here's the red. And the last one is the peppermint sprinkles. So, it just brings sort of joy. And here we go. Good. Here we go. And yeah, remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more of my videos, and see you guys. Bye.